On Sunday, AEDT, he returned to action, putting up 20 points and 13 rebounds as his Horned Frogs defeated. That's not just a coincidence, it's a sign of Noi's value at TCU, and also of his immense improvement over the course of his sophomore season. "We're certainly not as good a team when we don't have him," head coach Jamie Dixon said of Noi. Over the course of the 2018-19 season, we've seen Noi emerge as one of, if not the go-to guy for TCU, and that's contributed to more and more NBA teams seeing a future in the league for the 6'7" wing. Over the past 2 years, Noi has developed a skill set that, along with his height and long frame, have made him an intriguing NBA prospect. The Newcastle native was already known as an impressive athlete who could finish around the rim, but he's shot the ball at around 40% from downtown over the course of his college career, and has shown that he can play on both ends of the floor. It's not just the fact that his jump shot and range is much improved, but it's the nature of the way he shoots it, the 21-year-old showing off an incredibly quick trigger over his second season in Fort Worth. The number of NBA teams who have reached out about Noi has grown a lot since the start of this season, and that number should only grow if TCU is able to sneak into the NCAA tournament. Healy's hot hand makes his story. One of the biggest Australian stories of this college season has been what Cameron Healy has done in his freshman year at Albany. He's had the hot hand all season, especially lately, where he's made 14 of his last 25 three-point attempts, but his last game saw him make history in his program, the Sydney native setting the new single-season record for made three-pointers, with 95. Congratulations to Cameron Healy for setting a new single-season program record for made three-pointers with 95. He surpasses Matthew Haggerty's 94 from the 1999-00 season. pic.twitter.com/pfbqgfix7, UAlbany basketball, at UAlbany, February 24, 2019. The Great Danes are on a 3-game winning streak, thanks to Healy's impressive play, and the guard has a chance to expand on that record in the trio of remaining games. Let's talk about Jesse Hunt. Eastern Washington only has an 11-16 record, but there's still a shining light, and that's been the play of Jesse Hunt. The Perth native continued his big senior year with an impressive 2019, averaging 14.1 points, 8.9 rebounds, and 3.5 assists per game in the calendar year, with his Eagles going 8-6 over that stretch. Hunt is a guy who is doing it all on the offensive end and, most importantly, is shooting the three-ball at a career-best level, 44.8% over the course of his senior year. That's a big improvement from his junior year, and bodes really well for his professional prospects. Don't be surprised if NBL teams come knocking, come the end of the season. ***** Olgun ULUC covers basketball for Fox Sports Australia. Twitter, @OlgunUlick.